van der Rohe very rightly said that God is in the details. This art form is mainly an expression of my philosophy. Having an aquascape actually brings nature into your living space. It's actually a living art form which is constantly evolving. This art form has a lot of design element put in, there's a lot of creativity that goes in, but there's also a lot of science that goes in. Because what we're trying to do is build living ecosystems underwater. All my aquascapes begin with the initial concept, and then the concept translates to styling, and then it goes into a lot of detailed research work, details in terms of the raw material, the design, the plants, and then finally the fish. My designs are one of its kind. That's mainly because all my raw material is hand-picked. For instance, the wood is coming from Sumatra or from Indonesia. The rocks come either locally or globally sourced. And the plants come from Denmark or from India. Lastly, the glass, which is actually my canvas. That comes from Japan, which is handcrafted. When you look at the glass, you don't really see that there is actually a glass in between. Once I have my raw material in hand, which is actually my palette, it starts right from putting in the rocks or the wood, and then would come the soil, and then slowly would come the plants, and then finally what I do is give nature a chance. The whole experience of having an aquascape is actually allowing nature to nurture you. Nature in me is my expression of nature, and it's all about bringing the smaller details to people around so that we can appreciate nature better. In all my aquascapes, there are two artists. One is me and the other one's nature.